Good morning, everyone. Well, today I'm starting this video out just a little bit different. This is my second grand, and her and her parents went to the American Girl doll store in Chicago, and her sister both got a doll that looked like them. And this is hers. Now her picture's kind of blurry. I'll tell you, I have printed this out 3 times trying to get the best one. And my daughter kind of fixed this so it's not so dark. It was dark and blurry. So now it's still just a little grainy. Kind of makes her look like she has freckles like the doll. or maybe the doll's just got that same grainy look too. But anyway, so I had it on this. You know, I told you I put my layouts on my guest room bed, and it's like I've had it on here for days, and it just really wasn't inspiring me. It's like I really love how it looks on here. I love the colors together, but it's like it just wasn't speaking to me. And when I pulled out the stickers, because you know I've been trying to use the stickers that go with the collections, and that wasn't doing it for me either. So I went back in there and pulled this one out. And this is, what is the name of this? Happiness is Homemade by Echo Park. The other one's by Echo Park too. It's petticoats and pinstripes and petticoats, I think. So anyhow, I put it on here, and then it started talking to me. So I thought, okay, and it gave me a title right away. It's like Tea for Two. I thought I have used that, but I haven't used it for her. And then I thought, okay, a doily would be nice. So then I went and got a doily, and because I thought it just kind of looks like the rest of the paper, right? And so I'm thinking a doily. I do want this up here, so I actually started over with a little bit, but I decided to put over here a little bit more because I didn't want to cover up the little teapot, since that was my kind of my inspiration, was the teapot. Even though they're out for lunch, they're not having tea. Well, she might have tea. She loves chai tea, and ever since she was, I mean, she loved chai tea at this age, so that would be fine. So anyhow, I asked the hubby, which he would chime in right now if he was here, but he went to the store, and I said, what do you think for a title? I said, I think a Tea for Two. I don't even know what else I said. And he said, how about a couple of dolls? And it's like, oh my gosh, I love that. So it's going to be called A Couple of Dolls. And I'm going to stick that right down here. And so now that you see kind of how I got it, I'll get these 2 things glued down, and I'll put down the letters, and I'll be back and embellish it. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got the title on, and I've got her taped down, and kept that uncovered because that was, you know, part of my inspiration. Even though I pulled this out too. Actually, I had it sitting here, and I found it. And you know, it has like similar colors, but she just popped when I put her on here. And so, and then plus like some of the other things, it's like I didn't really still feel like I had a whole lot that actually was fitting to the theme, because it was mostly about cooking on this one. And this one does have the teapot, does have cake, does have flowers. So I mean, that's why I actually went and got other stuff too. But I am going to use some of the stickers, because that is part of my goal, is to use up, you know, not only just the papers that are scraps, but also some of the stickers, the sticker sheet, because I love using, really I like using the, you know, die cuts, or you know, even when you buy die cuts, just because you get to play with them more than when you stick them on there, then you're committed. Okay, I think I think I'm going to slide it over just a little bit. I want the cupcake to be behind the flower just a little. Oh, and I really took into consideration trying to keep some of this showing because I love the little flowers in it. It's so cute. Okay, so I'm using the cupcake and this floral that was on the sticker sheet. And so I'm only going to be using actually 3 things from the sticker sheet. And then this little teapot, since that's kind of where the inspiration, you know, I just thought, oh, it's like tea for 2. I've been wanting to scrapbook this for a long time. I just love these pictures. And part of it's because, you know, the picture is not the best quality. And I really hadn't found anything. And then it's like, I really feel like I've found something this time too. So that really helps. Okay. And since I didn't have a whole lot of things to put with it, I went to my Brads. And I have these that I bought like a pack of Brads on Amazon, and it's just like an assortment of all different things. And these are in there. They're turquoise with, or like this blue that is that's on the doll and here. And so I thought that's super cute. So I pulled out 3 of those. I'm actually going to use 3 of them because I'm going to use them throughout my triangle. Okay. And then I always pull out this foam piece. It's like a bunch of post earrings came on it. And actually my mom gave it to me. It wasn't something that I actually had. Okay, so I am going to start by actually pinning that, or using that brad right here. And you know how the brad there, the prongs are kind of flat and wide? So I always use these scissors. It kind of makes the same kind of shape. Now if you got a brad that has to go a certain direction, it does help to make sure you are putting it in the right direction. Okay, now these ones are kind of short, so kind of easy to pull over. Oh, look at it. It's got that beautiful dot on the background. I love that. Okay, and then I'm going to put one right by the cupcake. Oh, and if I would have got a needle nose out, I would be, you know, a little bit faster, but I did not. One thing about when you poke it into something, it stays there and it doesn't fall out while you're flipping it over. So the foam works super nice. And then I'm going to stick one up here, and I'm actually going to use this little wooden die, or this little wooden piece. I'm not even sure where it came from. A lot of my little wooden pieces I purchased at Hobby Lobby, and I don't know if this one was from there or not. I'm going to put it right next to the teapot. So I'm going to put my brad. I want to do all the brads first because it'll be easier if the stuff isn't by them. So I'm going to go right into this doily. I think about right here. Oh, and I've already lost my brad. Oh, here it is. Brad, where are you? Okay. I think I got another pad of this paper one day at Tuesday morning because I have a lot more of it than what I thought. Okay, so I'm going to start by gluing this down. I think the other things I have are all the wooden pieces now. So this one just says Forever Friends. And I'm talking about her young self at this age because I don't even know if she has it all anymore. Hopefully she saved it. I know her mom didn't save some, and then she was looking for them one day, and it's like, hey, you had them last. So I hope she saved them. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick that right there. And because this kind of wood, you know, is pretty easy to glue down with just what is it, Scotch Quick Dry. Okay, and then I have these adorable little cherries. So I thought since we're at dinner, I could use those. Okay, which one do I want? Which way do I want them? This way looks like they're kind of, they got a little darkening around the edges, and if I do it the one way. So I'm gonna put it this way, or the way that it looks a little darker around the edges, because I think it'll show up a little more. I'm gluing this right on the picture, but I got to tell you, if I end up with a better, if I can get a better print of this, I've considered buying some kind of app, but my daughter's got an app, and she cleared it up to what it is now. But if I ever get a better picture, I'll just put it right over this. Okay. And then, and I forgot to show you this. It's a little fork and a knife. And I'm going to put that right here, because that way I got, you know, my triangle of wood, my triangle of brads, and then a triangle of embellishments, which this is not an added embellishment, but I'm counting it anyway. So that's it for today. I love how it turned out. I'm really excited about the ones I've done, because lots of them are things that it's like I've kind of put off scrapbooking because I didn't have the right thing, and then it just happens the right thing is laying there on the bed and it's already half done. Can't beat that. So make sure you check out the link below. It's other people that are doing the base pages, and I will have close-ups at the end, and I'll see you tomorrow. Today is day 11, so we only have 9 more to go. So have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.